hour. Yep. Right here, this is nice. This part's super comfortable. Mine right here, like, you can almost feel it.
Ready?
Yep. Point Main is a Monday. They're usually on Mondays. They used to be on Saturdays and Sundays. I don't know why they're Mondays. But we just unpacked. We've got our pit area. Pretty simple. People are still getting here. Jonathan's all the way down there. There's Mike. There's another Jonathan all the way down there. Mr. Bridges. He's a great guy. Great guy. And yep. So I'm packing for the day. Tech inspection's at 7:30. So we're getting out here early, getting comfortable. We'll probably lose weight, if you know what I mean. Number this guy. And we'll sign back in a bit. What's up? Check in. So we did our riders meeting. It's where they go over briefing safety rules for all the different groups. So they talk about passing lanes, what you can do, how to get on the track safely. Talk about rider coaches, and that's your chance to ask questions so you're not confused. So the GT1, they force you to do class time, but it's safe. So if you're first time ever on the track, you have to do the GT1 to make sure you're not going to hurt yourself. They teach you rules, where to pass, flag rules, and navigating turns. Then you get into E1, where you're not doing classrooms, but you're riding all day. E2, a coach has to approve for you to enter. They kind of release the reins on you. Passing's only restricted to when the bike is straight up and down. Sometimes, some places they'll let you pass on the outside, depending on the turn location. But they didn't mention that here. So we're prepping right now for our first session, and we're going to go out. We only had one person have a boo-boo today, but he has aspirations to be Valentino Rossi. But anyways, you don't have to do that. It was a fun day. You can take it easy out here. They have good rider coaches. You know, you can grab them. They'll help you out. There's fuel right over there. It's all here. There's even a little food area down there. Your family can walk around this whole area. Plenty of signage. Just no dogs. You can't bring dogs. But anyways, you guys should come out and ride with us. And look, find us on the Bel Air Tarmac Tribe Facebook page. We got an Instagram too. Just search hashtag Bel Air Tarmac Tribe, no spaces, you can find us. And I'm Paul Lester, and we'll be signing out. And I'm sure we have some other good video to load here, but to view. Sorry, to view.
Yeah, you come in on red.